we're on 3. I cut most of the parts because I didn't feel like to record. No. Just do the machine over there. Give me my ornaments. I need ornaments for Bombay. Okay, my sister needs Bombay. I want to surprise her. But I don't think I'll be staying up all night. Of course, I don't have school tomorrow. The fact tomorrow is Saturday. But I just don't know. This is not my account right here. It's my sister. Oh my god, I'm low on stamina. Yeah, we'll never make it. Low ass stamina. Didn't say it because you can see, obviously. Come here. Okay. I'm dumb. Okay, I'm dumb. Please don't pick. Please pick Bastille. Flint steel. That did nothing. Gaga googie guggy man gaga. Because I'm a good person, I pick up tapes. Of course, my bills. And of course, other ginger don't heal. Oh, that's cool. No, no. Nah. More. Danny's world is not real. True. What? True, but love Danny's world. You might hear something playing in the background. Obviously, because my parents are watching TV. Get away from me. Why do it? Clips always have to be the one low. I don't put it on backup because I'm bad at editing. Oh, good. Come here. Oh my god. Thank you. Oh my god, Eclipse. Oh no. No. Help me. Okay. Come on, get in elevator. I love being depressed. Chill. I swear, I want to read floor 20 with this ginger. Read floor 20 with this. Don't know what I'm doing. Why is it then? You hear that? They're all playing. Is Bombette here? Tell me. Who the freak sailed me? Who died? Don't tell me to. Oh my god, stupid. Anger issues here. You know. You know. Anger issues. Who keeps taking all the tapes here? Ginger's so fun to play nowadays. no, keep me. I want to hear the reason. Give me the machine. Give me the machine. I'm saying give me the machine. I just got this machine. Nobody give me it. Keeps your smile stitched. What the freak? Am I lagging? Tell me, where's my audio? Who fixed this? I know this meme. I know this meme. I know this meme. Oh. Oh no. Oh. Oh no. Am I lagging? What are dumb I see? What is our dumb self is doing at the elevator? Are we supposed to... Okay, I'm freaked out. Get these notifications out of here. Want to stop? I can barely hear my game. Can Bombette appear already? I mean, look at that. She never appeared in my eyes. You want Bombette on the floor. I will put it on the floor. Random stuff. Donnie. Hitting them trash bags. Ian. Try me. No. Who else picked? Okay. Chill. Okay, chill. Slippery floor, please. Please. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna go die. If I say this, they're gonna be mad. I'm gonna go. Where's the twisted? Get me. Turn the shop corner. Turn the shop corner. Turn the shop corner. Ani simpen eti. Ana simta ebatati. An. Ebatati. Ida ida i. E e a e e e e y a e e a e e a e e e e a e e a e e a. Hi. Hiya. Hiya. No. No. Mommy. Let's check. They're back. They're back. I know they're back. But I can't get Robux for the 300 ornaments. I think it's better if we do different over here. I did more. Reach 10. I don't know. I don't know about that. Ana Sibetganetti. Ana Shirkotamepati. Ama Sibmotaneti. Eat it up. Eat it up. Eat it up. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it up. 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 I'ma just solo. I don't think that. Sorry for my burp. Excuse me again. Why do I keep burping? I think Shelly solos are good. In my sister's account, of course. I think they are good in my sister's account, of course. Right? Bet I'm gonna die floor 3. I think YouTube ain't gonna let me upload this, but I don't know. Go in the elevator. I'll do a part 2 today. Now goodbye forever.